Hey, I'm Vishwa Gulati and I welcome you all to Flipkart. Today I have with me the Blopunk Smart Sound series of televisions. I will be reviewing the BLA 43A S570 43-inch Full HD Smart TV. This range also consists of a 32-inch HD and a 50-inch Full HD Smart TV. Blopunk has equipped this range with some innovative features from basic to some really advanced ones. So let's check them out. To begin with, this TV is built with a class-apart design. It comes with a slim metal frame bezel. The bezel in space grey color resembles a piece of artwork when hung on your wall. The thin bezel, as premium as it looks, also gives a picture output that is free from any kind of disturbance. It projects a wide frame, doing full justice to your content. Following its proficiency in the sound industry, Blopunk has equipped this TV with a 30-watt internal surround sound system with a separate 60-watt soundbar. Yes, you heard it right. A total of 90 watts of sound output just with your TV. With this combined output, this TV takes a leap way ahead of its competitors. The soundbar comes with an RAC cable connectivity along with wireless Bluetooth connection. Furthermore, you can connect any device to the soundbar. Let's check it out. The Blopunk Smart Sound TV is also equipped with the industry's finest A+ grade panel. The panel ensures that the picture quality is absolutely detailed and does full justice to your viewing content without any form of discoloration. It also delivers an immersive viewing experience with a 178-degree wide viewing angle. So whatever your favorite spot in the room be, you won't have to compromise on the picture quality. Now let's move ahead and talk about how Blopunk has backed up all these features with a lightning-fast processor. With the quad-core processor at its heart, your TV boots up and launches your favorite apps with zero loss of time. It also gives a seamless experience while browsing through the apps and your favorite content. Let's check it out. Friends, this TV also comes with a voice command enabled smart remote. This remote can recognize your voice to follow personalized commands like search, topics, shows, movies, actors on the smart hybrid launcher. It provides utmost ease of operation and can totally pep up your TV viewing experience. Let's check it out. This TV runs on the world's most used operating system, Android. You can easily toggle between your favorite TV channels and internet apps without any kind of lag. It also comes with the IR Blaster cable that allows you to see broadcasting TV and web shows on the same platform. So basically, you can access everything from TV shows, apps, etc. on the same screen with just one remote. Now explore TV moments as they happen. A beautiful personalized picture-based TV guide right on your smart TV, and a universal search and discovery of content from set-top box and apps. And not just this, now you can download the Blopunk TV Care app from the Play Store and address any query on your Android smartphone. So friends, as the name suggests, this Blopunk TV is as smart as it can get. It's a perfect match of practicality, sturdy hardware and smooth software. It delivers way above of what it promises. So go for it right away and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart, because here you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me and have a perfect buy.